It's a little-known fact that packaging made of expanded polystyrene can be very easily mechanically recycled. For this to happen, it must be collected separately. The district of Heilbronn in Baden-Württemberg, Germany, has been doing this for some time now. We've set up a network of 51 recycling centres throughout the district where we collect unmixed recyclable materials. This means that each category is put into a separate container, and that goes for expanded polystyrene too. It's a bring system, so people living in the district bring their materials to the recycling centre and throw them into the containers, separating everything by category. The key is simply to collect the material separately. If other districts were also to introduce an unmixed collection system, they could achieve the same quality. Clean EPS packaging from the recycling centre arrives at the Remondis Waste Management Facility in Heilbronn.
Collecting just one pre-sorted recyclable material fraction per round guarantees the highest possible material quality. Contaminants and incorrectly sorted waste can be identified immediately and easily removed. The low proportion of contaminants in the delivered fractions tells us that there's a high level of awareness among residents regarding waste separation. This makes it easier to recycle the materials later on.
The waste management company prepares large quantities of the collected EPS waste for onward transport. The core step in the process is performed by an EPS recycler, such as Bachel in Landsberg, Bavaria. The company, which among other things produces insulation materials made of EPS, has been operating its own take-back system for 30 years.
EPS packaging from households is sorted again manually at our plant to ensure it meets the right quality standard. Our specially trained employees identify possible contaminants on the sorting table and remove them. This mechanical recycling process allows us to return used EPS packaging to the material cycle, thereby conserving valuable resources.
The more complex of two different processing methods starts by turning the loose, lightweight EPS pieces into compacted, that is, solid blocks.
Another way of reusing EPS, that is to say, recycling it mechanically, is extrusion. First, the material is shredded and melted, then the molten material is forced through sieves, which produces granules. We refer to these as recyclate. This recyclate or regranulate, made from EPS packaging waste, is used in our customers' new products, which have many possible applications as insulation materials in buildings. EPS packaging from households is collected in a clean and unmixed condition at a recycling centre. That's a good prerequisite for high-quality recycling.